Hello everyone, this is my review of the Logitech mouse with mini receiver. It's a pretty good mouse that fits nicely in your hand, and it has a scroll wheel on it as well. Let me show you the underside. It has a AA battery that powers it, and it has a slot there that you can stick in your mini USB receiver in that slot right there, so you don't lose it if you traveling with it. It has a on and off switch right there. What I like about this mouse is that you don't have to be near your computer to use it. I'm back in the bed. Hope this review helped.